Hey, what's up you guys, it's Abby back with another video, and welcome to another episode of Abby potentially ruining her hair for life. Today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be attempting to dye my hair pastel pink. If you haven't seen my other hair dyeing videos, you should definitely go check them out after you're done watching this one first. And I'm gonna basically explain to you what process I'm going to be going through today in order to achieve this pastel pink color that I'm hoping for. So let me go ahead and get into that. The first step of this process would be to bleach my hair, and for that I'm going to be using this Prism Lights by Salon, and it's basically just a big bag of bleach. And as far as the toner goes, I'm going to be using this 30 volume developer by the same brand, Salon. So bleach mixed with the developer is going to lift the hair color that I currently have. And then after that, I'm going to be toning my hair because it's definitely going to be looking like very yellow and brassy and possibly orange too. And for that step, I'm going to be using this Wella ColorCharm in the tone T18. And this is like the holy grail toner that all the YouTubers use.
Shut the fuck up.
It's basically the lightest ash blonde. And instead of using a 30 volume developer, I'm just going to be using a 20 because at that point, I shouldn't need more lift. I'm just gonna need a developer for the toner. So after I bleached and toned my hair, I'm going to be going in with this Beyond the Zone color Jamz. This is in the tone Bubblehead Pink. So in order to help pastelize the color, I'm going to be mixing it with the conditioner to kind of decrease the intensity of the pink. And hopefully that will leave me with my desired hair color. You already know the drill, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel because I'm always doing craziness to my hair, and if you like to live vicariously through crazy people who have identity crises every 3 months, you should definitely subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing what kind of results I get with all these products that I mentioned, just keep watching. So I went ahead and changed into an old shirt that I don't mind ruining. And I also put my hair in a half ponytail, as you can see. So I'm gonna apply the bleach all the way up to about ½ an inch beneath my scalp, and then I'm gonna let it process for about ½ an hour, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the hair that's closest to the scalp. Because I watched a DYEING video and he basically explained to avoid getting hot roots, that's what you need to do is process the hair first that's away from the scalp, and then do the hair that's closer to the scalp last. That way, I think the hair just processes faster, so you don't want it to be processing the same time as the hair that's away from the scalp, if that makes sense. I'm also going to be having some help because there's absolutely no way that I can see all the way back here and make sure that everything is even. I do suggest, if you plan doing this at home, that you have somebody help you. That way it comes out a lot more even. Another thing that I did to prepare is I grabbed some aluminum foil and I cut them into sheets like so. And the aluminum is going to help process the hair a lot faster because it keeps the heat in, and that heat is going to help your hair lift faster. So like I said, the first step is going to be bleaching. So I'm going to be taking the bleach and the developer and mixing it together, and the ratio is 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. So this is the bottom half done. As you can see, I use the aluminum foils to keep the heat in and help it process. I have an alarm set for ½ an hour, and when that's up, I'm going to go ahead and go into the roots and then leave it in for like 10 to 15 minutes. So I went ahead and washed out the bleach, and these are the results, and that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. I'm just kidding. I literally look like Slim Shady right now. I keep going to every mirror in my house and just looking at myself like, I've never been this blonde, and this is like mac and cheese colored. Ew. But have no fear, because I'm gonna tone it tomorrow. I'm just way too tired to do anything today. That literally took hours to do. So tomorrow I'm gonna tone it, and hopefully it comes out to like a silver blonde color, and then after that I'm going to be putting the pink dye in. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi, it's the next day. My hair looks like ramen noodles. Let's go ahead and fix that. Alright, so take the T18 developer. I'm just going to pour this straight into here. We're gonna need 2 parts. Okay, so I just finished washing out the toner, and as you can see, there's some spots that are still very yellow, and then down here it's kind of like more gray, and there's some purple left over from the toner, but there's a really dark spot right there. This has been a process, let me tell you, but I'm gonna go ahead and start with the pink. Again, the pink that I got is this Beyond the Zone pink. It's like Bubblehead pink. I'm only gonna be using a little bit. A little teeny tiny bit. I'm gonna take my conditioner. Kind of does smell like bubble gum though. I think that's more like it. It smells like bubblegum. This is so weird. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse through this. Alright guys, so the last time that you saw me, I was attempting to apply this pink hair dye into my wet hair with hardly any product and mostly just conditioner. And when I tell you that that did not work at all, like, I mean it. I washed out my hair and there was a lot of spots that were still blonde, and mostly my roots had just held on to the color and everything else just washed out. So basically I was very frustrated. I was very over it. I thought for sure I had messed up my hair and that I might have to just dye it back brown to fix it. But then I just sucked it up and used the color directly on my hair without too much dilution. Like, I put maybe like 3 or 4 pumps of conditioner in it, but for the most part I told myself, look, you're gonna have to have hot pink hair until this washes out to a lighter color, otherwise your hair is not going to soak up the product and it's not going to look how you want it to look. But as you can see, the color is not too bright. It actually looks a little bit faded. It is kind of still blonde and orangey in some spots, but I just ran out of product. But I am so happy with the results of this. I definitely needed to wait till my hair dried, so I straightened it, I put on some makeup, and I was like, wow, this actually looks pretty freaking good. Oh, I can still see like some pink right here, and my nail. This is what happens when you do it without gloves, so I don't recommend that. But as you can see, this is my hair. Like I said, I'm so happy with the results. It's like a bubblegum pink. It's really, really pretty, and I can't stop looking at myself. It's so weird. My roots were so dark, and then I went to this like weird yellow blonde, and I didn't know that I could recover from that, but I freaking love it. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below, how do you think this turned out? I am very happy with the results. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm always doing crazy stuff to my hair. But this is literally hands down the craziest thing I've done to date. Dyeing my whole head, like not even just highlights or an ombre, like root to tip. It's all pink. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!